Hello, today I'm going to tell you a few tips about look ahead and going slow, or going slow and look ahead, same thing. So first of all, you should be doing F2L around 25 seconds before you start looking ahead, because it won't give you a use before that. Second thing, you should be practicing it really slow. For instance, I'll give you an example. Myself, I'm practicing looking at it right now. I'm not very good at it, but let's see what I can do. So I see this pair over here. I inserted like so. It didn't give me any use because I look ahead. But if I now I know how it's gonna be inserted. It's R U prime R prime. So if I do not look over here and instead try to search for pieces, it's gonna be better. So before doing this, I see this is yellow, so I just take a peek. It's yellow, orange, blue. So while doing so, I try to search for the yellow, orange, blue edge, which is over here, and it is so. Now I know how I would be inserting this. It's gonna be R U2 R prime, U2 R U prime R prime. So I will be doing this. I would not be looking at this, while I will be looking for another pair. So R U2 R prime, U2 R U prime R prime, and this is the pair I found. Now again, insertion of this is gonna be easy. I see this is yellow, and this is a non-yellow edge. That means it must go at the empty slot. That means I'm sure that these two are the pieces of the pair that needs to go over here. So I just do R U prime R prime, then I pair that and insert this. So uh, so this was how you can get speed. I'll give you another example, but before that I need to tell you something. If you're practicing, I will not recommend timing until you're at least at such a position where you can do the insertion without looking at this piece, and at least manage to search for one corner at least, or one edge, or maybe both. Then you should start timing, and slowly your times would improve. And another thing, if you want a tutorial, it will be down in the description, just for the sake of simplicity, because if you don't know look ahead is, then the tutorial, this is no use. So I'll give you another example. Okay, the cross is already made, so I begin. I see this one, and this is going. So while doing this, I see a really awesome case. I see this pair. So while doing this, if I do this, these two will become like this. Yeah, but there's one thing I could do. If I insert this before, it will be better, because inserting this, I will only have three cases. That's RUR prime U prime RUR prime U prime 3 times, and RUR prime 3 times. The other case, which is this one, and the third case, with which it looks like this. So instead, I insert this first. Now this gonna go here, so I insert it like this. From this, you also get to know that you need to now insert pairs at different angles. Now while doing this, I would search for this corner where it has gone. So I'm doing this, and I see it's over here. So I do this, and at that particular second, I just take it out. And before inserting, I start looking around. During inserting, actually, I get it. Now what are you gonna do? I found these two, and these two can be inserted like so. But if I do this, my pair would be disturbed. So instead, if I do this, then I insert this one and search for my pair, then it's definitely going to be faster, right? This was the second example. So in the end, I would just like to tell you that you need to know different ways of inserting the same pair, and you should also be knowing uh, some techniques, like I showed you the case where I had this such a pair could be inserted, and there was a joint pair over here. So that's all. Thanks for watching.